Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how we can create this video with Pro Canva. If you don't have Canva Pro and want to try, click link in the description and try it for free. So at first we need to go to videos and let's choose Facebook video. Now let's add a photo as a background. Let's go to Elements and enter Blue Christmas Ball and choose Photo. I'm choosing this one, Photo. Click on the photo and click right button and set image as a background. Now let's go to Elements, Lines and Shapes, and we can choose this one. We can rotate it, resize, and we can change the color. I'm choosing this one. And let's go to the transparent button and make it 20. Now we can duplicate it. Click right button and duplicate. Make it smaller a little bit and change color. Here you see the color code. And transparent, let it be 40. Now we can write the text. Let's go to the left side menu, click letter T, add a heading, and enter text. I'm entering Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We can change the color, let it be white, and the font, I'm choosing this one. Now we can select all, go to position and click tidy up. Okay, now we can duplicate the page and I will deleting all this text. And now let's go to the elements and choose this one frame. Now let's go to the apps, click videos, and I am choosing this one video. We can go to the scissors and adjust it. And click done. Now let's duplicate it, delete this video, and I am choosing this one and take it and drag it into the frame. Now click scissors and we can adjust the duration. Click done. And now let's go to elements and let's search for snow frame with blank page. This one. Click on it and resize. Now let's duplicate it and paste it on the next page. Now we can adjust the duration. Let it be 2 seconds. And we can go to transition and click Match and Move, apply between all pages. We can adjust our text. For example, we can adjust our text, click right button and show timing. And I am adjusting a little bit. And we can go to animate and I'm choosing match. And we can add the music, go to audio, and I'm choosing this one, Jingle Bells. Double click and we can adjust the position. And we can go to audio effects, fade in, click fade out, and let's see. I hope you like this tutorial. Click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check Extensive Canva Master Course on udemy.com. Link you will find in the description. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you!